Home remedies. Home remedies are often simple and natural solutions that people use to address common health issues or enhance well-being. It's important to note that while home remedies can be effective for some minor ailments, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you have a serious or persistent health concern, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional. Here are some common home remedies for various issues. Cold and flu. Drink warm liquids like tea, honey, and ginger. Inhale steam to relieve congestion. Gargle with salt water to soothe a sore throat. Rest and stay hydrated. Upset stomach. Ginger tea or ginger ale can help with nausea. Peppermint tea may ease digestive discomfort. Plain crackers or toast can be gentle on the stomach. Stay hydrated with clear fluids. Headaches. Apply a cold or warm compress to the forehead. Stay hydrated. Massage the temples and neck. Ensure you are getting enough sleep. Skin irritations. Aloe vera gel for sunburn. Oatmeal baths for itchy skin. Tea tree oil for acne. Coconut oil for moisturizing. Cough. Honey and warm water or herbal teas. Humidifier to add moisture to the air. Throat lozenges or hard candies. Insomnia. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Avoid caffeine and electronic devices before bedtime. Make your sleeping environment comfortable. Minor cuts and burns. Clean the wound with mild soap and water. Apply an antibacterial ointment. Cover with a sterile bandage. For burns, cool the area with cold water. Sore muscles, apply a cold or warm compress. Epsom salt bath. Gentle stretching exercises. Rest and avoid overexertion. Sinus congestion. Saline nasal irrigation. Steam inhalation. Stay hydrated. Use a humidifier. Dandruff. Tea tree oil shampoo. Apple cider vinegar rinse. Coconut oil for moisturizing the scalp. Maintain good hair hygiene. Toothache. Rinse your mouth with warm salt water. Apply a cold compress to the affected area. Clove oil or a small piece of garlic on the tooth. Indigestion. Drink a cup of chamomile or peppermint tea. Baking soda and water mixture for acid reflux. Fennel seeds or ginger to aid digestion. Bad breath. Rinse your mouth with a solution of water and baking soda. Chew on fresh parsley or mint leaves. Stay hydrated and practice good oral hygiene. Hangover. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Consume electrolyte-rich drinks. Ginger tea for nausea. Rest and allow time for your body to recover. Stress and anxiety. Practice deep breathing exercises. Take a warm bath with Epsom salts. Drink chamomile or valerian root tea. Engage in physical activity or yoga. Insect bites and stings. Apply a paste of baking soda and water. Aloe vera gel for soothing. Ice pack to reduce swelling. Oatmeal paste for itch relief. Constipation. Increase fiber intake through fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Drink plenty of water. Prune juice or dried prunes for natural laxative effects. Minor burns. Run cool water over the burn for at least 10 minutes. Apply aloe vera gel or honey. Cover with a clean, non-stick bandage. Motion sickness. Ginger candies or ginger tea. Focus on a fixed point in the distance. Fresh air and good ventilation. Acupressure wristbands. Joint pain, warm compress or heating pad. Turmeric or ginger supplements for anti-inflammatory effects. Gentle exercises like swimming or yoga. Maintain a healthy weight. Hiccups. Hold your breath for as long as you can. Drink a glass of cold water quickly. Swallow a teaspoon of sugar or honey. Earache. Apply a warm compress to the affected ear. Use over-the-counter ear drops. Sleep with the affected ear facing upward. Dry or chapped lips. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Apply a natural lip balm with ingredients like beeswax or shea butter. Gently exfoliate with a mixture of honey and sugar. Acid reflux. Elevate the head of your bed. Avoid lying down right after eating. Consume smaller, more frequent meals. Chew gum to stimulate saliva production. Allergies. Local honey to potentially reduce allergy symptoms. Saline nasal irrigation. Steam inhalation with eucalyptus oil. Keep windows closed during peak pollen seasons. Blisters. Apply aloe vera gel or petroleum jelly. Keep the blister clean and covered. Avoid popping the blister to prevent infection. Canker sores. Rinse your mouth with salt water. Apply a small amount of honey. Avoid spicy or acidic foods that may irritate the sore. Nausea. Sip on ginger tea or chew ginger candies. Eat small, bland meals. Peppermint essential oil or tea. Bruises. Apply a cold compress to reduce swelling. Arnica gel or cream. Keep Keep the bruised area elevated. Athlete's foot. Soak feet in a solution of apple cider vinegar and water. Keep feet dry and clean. Apply antifungal creams or powders. Menstrual cramps. Apply a heating pad to the lower abdomen. Drink chamomile or peppermint tea. Exercise regularly to help alleviate cramps. Dry skin. Use coconut oil or olive oil as a natural moisturizer. Take shorter, lukewarm showers. Stay hydrated by drinking enough water. Stye, eyelid bump. Apply a warm compress to the affected eye. Keep the eyelid clean and avoid squeezing the stye. Teabag compresses, chamomile or green tea. Gastroenteritis, stomach flu. Stay hydrated with electrolyte-rich fluids. Follow the BRAT diet: bananas, rice, applesauce, toast. Gradually reintroduce solid foods. Sunburn, aloe vera gel or cool compresses. Hydrate by drinking plenty of water. Avoid further sun exposure. Dental pain, before seeing a dentist. Rinse with warm salt water. Clove oil on a cotton ball for numbing. Over-the-counter pain relievers if appropriate. Cough and sore throat, honey and lemon tea. Saltwater gargle. Throat lozenges or hard candies. Migraines, rest in a dark, quiet room. Cold or warm compress on the forehead. Stay hydrated and manage stress. Plantar fasciitis, heel pain. Stretching exercises for the feet, rolling a frozen water.
For more videos, please click subscribe, like and share buttons. Thank you for watching.